I honestly think this might weigh more than me. I'm not even joking. Well, no, maybe not.
And with 9 streams of 4.5K ProRes 4444, yes, that is an extra 4XQ footage.
As you know, most tech tubers are unboxing the MacBook Pro, but I want to cover something that they didn't tell you: the price. I got really curious when I saw them opening up these dual monitors with a huge aluminum display and the huge, beautiful packaging. And the first thing that popped into my head as a average consumer slash small YouTuber was, how much did they pay for this? So one of the things that I wanted to do with you is take a look. So let's check it out. So I'm gonna pull my phone screen up and put it on the side for you guys to see. So that way you can scroll through here with me and we can get a good idea of the price range when buying a Mac Pro. Hashtag cheese grater. Because it does, it looks like a cheese grater. I can't help it. All right, so I have my phone screen recording and beside me. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna click buy, and me and you are gonna go through the different options so that I can show you exactly how much these YouTubers paid for this computer. I'm already sick to my stomach, but let's just go. So I'm gonna click buy. Oh, save with business pricing. Okay, I'm sure we're gonna need it. All right, so choose your Mac Pro. $6,000, that made me puke. I'm gonna puke. I'm not gonna buy it, so I don't know why I'm getting upset, but it's the thing here. Blah. All right. So it has a 3.5 gigahertz 8-core processor, turbo boost up to 4 gigahertz, 32 gigabytes of RAM. You get the Wright Pro with 8 gigabytes of memory, 256 gigabytes of solid state storage. That's crappy. That's a lot of money for 256 gigabytes of storage. I don't think so. All right, so processor. Whoa, okay. So you can get up to 28 cores with this. I am going to pray that no one did, but these YouTubers, you know, I'm going to be completely transparent. I'm not rich by any means. I'm not a big YouTuber, but these big YouTubers are millionaires. So let's go with 2.56 gigahertz, 28 cores. 28 cores? How many you need? Why not 30? All right, so let's go down to memory or RAM. You can go up to, oh my gosh, a 1.5 terabytes of RAM. Really, I don't think anyone's gonna need 1.5 terabytes of RAM. But, like, no. I could probably justify like a millionaire YouTuber getting the 192 or the 384 gigabytes of RAM. But you know what? I came here to play. 1.5 terabytes. We're at $37,000 and we've only upgraded 2 things. Is this real? All right, let's keep going. Graphics processor. I can't. All right. So 2 Wright Pro Vega Duo 2 by 32 gigabytes, so 64 gigabytes. I don't know why they did that. It's probably 2 separate units into the Mac Pro. $10,800. We're at $48,799. This is before tax, people. This is before taxes. Storage. Oh yeah, we have these massive upgrades with 256 gigabytes of solid state storage. Number one, if you did, I don't even think they should make that an option. That's not fair. But we're gonna go with the 4 terabyte, which is probably the smallest upgrade that we'll do. They have 8 terabytes coming soon. Let's go with the Apple Afterburner. I'm not gonna lie to you. I didn't do a ton of research on this Mac Pro because I've been so busy with my Christmas series, shameless plug, that I didn't even know this was coming because I've been filming and editing every single day since I started this series. when I get off work from my main job. So I'll work 10 to 12 hours, come home, film, edit, and then go to bed. So I haven't really had time to adjust or see what new technology is coming out. It's one of the reasons why we're doing the video the way that we are now, which I'm enjoying actually. This is kind of making me really upset. Apple afterburner card done. Stainless steel frame with wheels. You gotta have the wheels. It's gotta be portable. You gotta have a $53,000 computer. Portable, why wouldn't? Magic Mouse 2, Magic Mouse Trackpad 2, $149. Duh, we're gonna put that on there. We need Final Cut Pro. I don't really think anyone needs Logic Pro X. We're gonna put it on there. So the grand total with all of the upgrades for the Mac Pro is $53,247.98. That's before taxes. Which means that you get, does this come with monitor? I don't think this is with the monitor. So let's see here. Mac Pro, what's in the box? You get a power cord. You get a USB-C to lightning cable. This does not come with the monitor. If this does not come with the monitor on the last tab, I'm gonna scream. Magic Mouse 2, Magic Mouse keyboard. It does not come with the monitor. We're not done. We gotta have the monitor. All right, so you're gonna need this monitor. You absolutely have to have the $6,000 monitor with the nano textured glass. I actually do know what that is. The nano textured glass, and this goes for any monitor. I'm not sure if they call it this, but there's a nano texture, hence the name, on the inside of the outermost display that scatters the light and gives it a matte feeling so that you don't have a shine when you're shining lights to the monitor, or if it's really bright outside, you're not gonna have a glare at all. I don't think that that's worth $1,000. I don't think that's worth $1,000, but that's okay. All right, so we're adding that. We're gonna need a $1,000 Pro stand. Like, I mean, you gotta have the Apple experience here, right? Visa mount adapter. Yes, we need that. This is one monitor, by the way, people. This is not two monitors. We're gonna go back up here and double check, but it's one monitor. Yeah, that's with one monitor. And all of the other YouTubers got two monitors, just to let you know. So the grand total is $60,444.98. I don't know what life is. I don't know what it's about. Can I handle this? Is this okay? I'm gonna puke, I think. I'm gonna puke. I'm gonna vomit. All right, so there you have it. $61,000. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I just really wanted to talk about this because I saw like 7 different YouTubers that I follow come out with unboxings on this computer, and not a single one of them talked about the price or specs in a non-cinematic way. So I really just wanted to give that straight to you guys. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, put a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love all of you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.